Hello students, welcome back to Vihan Pratik Institute of Education and welcome back to online mathematical classes. I am your facilitator M. Shiva Kumar and we are discussing chapter number 9, applications of trigonometry, which are based on real life or real time applications. In that, exercise 9.1 and question number 13. Okay, so question number 13 states that has observed from the top of a 75-meter high lighthouse from the sea level, the angles of depression of two ships are 30 degrees and 45 degrees. If one ship is exactly behind the other on the same side of the lighthouse, find the distance between the two ships. Okay, so this is a lighthouse. Here it is shown as 60 meters. So remaining 15 meters is this part is 15. So total 60 plus 15 is 75 meters. So this is the height of the lighthouse and this is ship number 1. This is ship number 2. Now angle of depressions. So this is the horizontal line. AX is horizontal distance or a horizontal line. Okay, so horizontal line is very important to calculate angle of elevation or angle of depression. Now to the second ship, the angle is 30 degrees. This is 30 degrees. To the first ship, the angle is 45 degrees. Okay, so same diagram I have drawn here. So this is the height of the lighthouse, which is 75 meters. Then AX is the horizontal distance or horizontal line. Okay, so this is the first angle 30 degrees and this is the second angle 45 degrees. Okay, so we know that this 30 degrees, when we draw a line AX parallel to BD. So let's start. Given that what is given? Height of lighthouse, which is very high, equals to 75 meters. Okay, so draw AX which is parallel to BD. So when we draw AX which is parallel to BD, AX will become horizontal line. Okay, right. Now from viewing through the horizontal line, this is angle A and this is angle, let's assume it is as B. So by theorem, interior alternate angles. So by interior alternate angles, angle A is equals to angle B. Therefore, if this angle is 30 degrees, now B will become 30 degrees. And by, let's assume this complete angle is C, then this angle will become D. Angle C equals to angle D. So by interior alternate angles, we define that angle A equals to angle B and angle C equals to angle D. That's it. Okay, otherwise we can say it as angle XABD equals to angle ADB. And second one, angle XA, this C is equals to angle ACB. B. Okay, in both cases these angles are equal. Okay, so now let's start analyzing the problem. Okay, we'll do this in next page. So remember this. So we'll consider tan 45. uh, and one more thing, what we need to find out, we need to find out the distance between the two ships. So this is ship number 1 and this is ship number 2. So the distance between these two ships is CD. So let's write this. To find distance between two ships, that is ship 1 and ship 2. So what is ship 1 and ship 2? Equals to CD. So we need to find out CD. How we'll get this CD? We need to find out BD. Then we have to subtract BC. Okay, so to find this, what we have to do, I'll write it here. We need to find out BD, which will equal to BC plus CD. Now from this, CD will equal to BD minus BC. This is our solution. Okay, so what is our solution? Our solution is to find the difference between BD, total distance, minus BC. Let's do it next page. So what we have to find? We have to find total distance BD, which will equal to BC plus CD. From this, the distance CD equals to BD minus BC. Okay, so now let's find. We have two triangles. One is triangle we have two triangles. One triangle is triangle ABD, other triangle is ABC. For triangle ABD, the angle is 30 degrees. For triangle ABC, the angle is 45 degrees. So let's do for ABC. So for triangle, or in triangle ABC, which will equal to tan theta equals to opposite by adjacent. Okay, so the theta value is 45. So tan 45 degrees equals to opposite. Opposite is AB divided by adjacent. Adjacent is BC. So here the value of AB is 75 meters. We don't know the value of BC. Okay, right. Now we know that, or we can write it here. Tan 45 is 1. 1 equals to 75 divided by BC. 1 equal to. Okay. Therefore, when we multiply, cross multiply, BC equals to 75 meters. So we got one thing, which is BC, this value, which is 75 meters. Next, consider triangle. In triangle ABD. So here the tan theta is 30 degrees, opposite by adjacent, which will equal to tan 30 degrees, which will equal to opposite is same AB divided by adjacent here is BD. Okay, the total one. Still we don't know the BD. Okay, so tan 30 is 1 by root 3. We know AB. AB is what is AB? 75 divided by BD. So from this BD, the value of BD is equals to, when we cross multiply, 75 root 3 meters. Okay, so what we need to find out? We need to find out CD. Now we got BD, we got BC. Therefore, distance between two ships 1 and 2 is equals to CD equals to BD minus BC. Okay, So what is the value of BD? BD just now we got 75 root 3 minus, what is BC? BC is 75, okay, which will equal to 75 root 3 minus 1, okay. So from this, CD will equal to 75. The value of root 3 is, so this is actual answer, meters. If you want more precise value, 75 into root 3 value is 1.732 minus 1, which will equal to 75 into 0.1 minus 732 minus 1 equals to 0.732. Now which will equal to CD equal to 59 or 54.9 meters is the answer. 59.4 meters. Okay students, so the value of CD, which is distance between two ships, is 54.9 meter precisely, or CD is approximately equal to 55 meters is the answer. I hope all of you have understood this. Go through the problem. Here we started. Go through the problem, follow each steps, try to by yourself, try to solve by yourself. While solving, whenever you got doubt, please text me or message me directly. Thank you students. Thank you very much.